The Quezon City local government has activated its quick response team after discovering the two establishments in the city were visited by the man who tested positive for monkeypox, the first case of mpox this year. Contact tracing efforts revealed that the man, a government employee, first showed symptoms of monkeypox on August 8. Despite his condition, he visited an illegal spa on August 11, where he reportedly had sexual contact with a client in the facility. 4 days later, he sought a medical help at a dermatology clinic in Quezon City, where he was observed to have rash-like symptoms on his face, hands, and genital area, key indicators of monkeypox. A subsequent test confirmed he was positive for the virus. The Quezon City Health Department has identified 41 close contacts of the infected individual. Among them, 28 classified as type 1 contacts, indicating direct interaction with the patient and placing them at high risk of infection. 7 of close contacts are residents of Quezon City. Individuals who had direct contact with the man diagnosed with monkeypox are now in quarantine. The health condition of those exposed to the man, including those he touched or was in close proximity to, is being closely monitored.
Yung masahista na directly na naghawak dun sa pasyente. And then yung mga clients, mga 27 clients yung nasa kinonsider natin type 1 kasi hindi natin ma-determine allegedly merong sexual encounter na nangyari dun sa spa.
No need to panic, local officials repeatedly have told. They urge anyone experiencing symptoms such as fever, rashes, or skin blisters to report them immediately.
Dapat hindi tayo mag-panic or maging alarm kasi kung alam natin kung paano tayo mahawa, kailangan natin protektahan yung sarili natin. Ang mga high risk natin ay yung mga multiple sexual partner. Kung merong simptomas na similar to mpox, kailangan po pumunta sa nearest health facility.
Kalezal Pardilia for the New and Better Philippines.